So my drawers were all painted and now it was time to work on the body of this piece. And what I started with is using a green painter's tape and taping off the top portion. Once I had both sides masked off with painter's tape, I took some Up in Smoke water-based stain and I started staining the top portion, including the front drawer, with this gray stain. Once the top, the drawer, and the two sides were stained in the Up in Smoke, I removed the green painter's tape. I let the gray stain dry and then I did the reverse. I put the gray painter's tape along the stained line because I'm going to paint the deep sea blue underneath. So I just followed the stain line and put the masking tape right over it. I had a great question from Susie B on the SI blog when I posted this piece on Thursday. She asked, she says, I just have one question for this lovely redo. Why did you paint the strip on the sides of the top blue instead of staining the entire top gray? I had a great question from Susie B on the SI blog when I posted this piece on Thursday. She asked, she says, I just have one question for this lovely redo. Why did you paint the strip on the sides of the top blue instead of staining the entire top gray? And that's a great question because I've never seen it done before. That's the number one answer. I have never seen the corners painted before, and I thought it would look different and quite striking. And also because, I don't know if you'll notice in the video, but when I was looking at the piece, the corners looked slightly darker gray than the rest of the stain. So I guess that's what drew my eye to it in the first place, and it popped into my head to do something different. But again, you can always camouflage things that catch your eye or just do something that you've never seen done before, because it's all just about playing around and being creative and trying new things. Sometimes they're a hit, sometimes they're not. In this case, I think it turned out quite beautiful. I love the way it looks. It gives it that little pop of something up top. But don't be afraid to try new things or do different things.